Hi everyone, welcome to a brand new video. Today, I'm tackling a frustrating issue with the Galanz microwave. It keeps blowing the main fuse. For many, this feels like a mysterious fault. But in microwaves, the secret often lies in the door interlock switches. Upon inspection, I found one of the 3 door switches was failing to disconnect properly, causing a short circuit every time the door was opened or closed. In this video, I'll show you how to test normally open and normally closed switches, how to replace them without breaking the delicate plastic clips, and a crucial tip on tightening loose terminals to prevent future arcing. Let's stop this microwave from blowing fuses once and for all.